Nice. Okay. Oh, these are the binoculars. And we are taking a trip this summer. And we're going to be doing a lot of traveling outdoors and such things. And I wanted to get a good light pair of binoculars that I can take with me while doing that. I have incredible reviews on Amazon, and that's where I got them. And I wanted to just check them out and show them to you guys. All right, so it looks like it comes with a strap over here where you can just put the strap on for easy carrying. This is a beautiful case to keep it protected. These binoculars are so tiny. I'm so glad. Actually, my brother also recommended them. He does go hunting and go into the outdoors a lot, so he did recommend these. He said they are great. And these are the binoculars right here. So the binoculars do have these lids to protect the lenses. I do recommend that whenever you are not using them, that you keep the lenses protected and keep those on. You have the calibrator here. See better with it by adjusting it while using it. And one other thing is that if you don't want to wear with this strap over here, you can just loop this to your belt. That way you can just easily take it out when you need to and just clip it back in its case in the belt.